Hey there, love detectives. Welcome back to the Mind Detective channel. Today, we're cracking the code on a question that's plagued hearts for centuries. How do you make him completely, utterly obsessed with you? Now, before you start picturing creepy stalker vibes, hold on! We're not talking about manipulation here. We're talking about unlocking the secrets of genuine connection that leave him wanting more. So, grab your detective badge and magnifying glass, because we're about to unveil the 4 pillars of irresistible you. Pillar number 1, the art of gentle strength. Men crave a safe harbor, someone they can trust and rely on. But that doesn't mean you have to be a pushover. Here's the secret. Cultivate gentle strength. It's about being both soft and strong, a delicate balance that captures a man's heart. Being empathetic and understanding is key. When he's facing challenges, offer a listening ear and a comforting presence. This shows him you genuinely care about his well-being. But don't lose sight of your own strength. Having your own opinions and pursuing your passions makes you an intriguing and independent woman. This balance of vulnerability and strength creates an irresistible allure. Pillar number 2, the enigmatic allure of independence. Nobody wants to feel trapped. Give him space to breathe and pursue his interests. Having your own life makes you even more intriguing. It's like a captivating mystery he wants to unravel. Cultivate your own hobbies, interests, and social circle. This independence empowers you and shows him you're a complete person, not just his partner. Remember, balance is key. While it's important to have your own life, quality time together is also essential. A healthy mix of independence and togetherness strengthens your bond. Pillar number 3, the magnetic pull of confidence. Confidence is the ultimate aphrodisiac. Believe in yourself, your worth, and your dreams. When you radiate self-assurance, it becomes contagious. It's like having an invisible force field that draws people in. Practice positive self-talk and focus on your strengths. Dress to impress and carry yourself with grace. Your confidence will be reflected in your body language, your tone of voice, and your overall demeanor. Remember, confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about embracing your imperfections and owning them. It's about knowing your value and not letting anyone dim your shine. Pillar number 4, the allure of high value. Here's the truth. You deserve a partner who values you for who you are. Don't settle for someone who doesn't appreciate your awesomeness. You are a treasure, and it's time to be treated as such. Set healthy boundaries and don't compromise your values. This shows him you respect yourself and won't tolerate anything less than the best. Invest in personal growth and self-care. This includes physical, emotional, and intellectual well-being. A woman who takes care of herself is a woman who is confident and desirable. Remember, high value isn't about external validation. It's about internal self-worth. When you believe in yourself, others will too. Remember, love detectives, these are just the building blocks. There's no magic formula, but by cultivating these qualities, you'll become the kind of woman he can't stop thinking about. It's about creating a magnetic pull that draws him in and keeps him captivated. So, go out there, embrace your inner detective, and unlock the secret to a love that leaves him breathless. Remember, confidence is key. Independence is empowering, and gentleness is captivating. And most importantly, love yourself first. When you radiate self-love, it's an irresistible force that attracts the right kind of love into your life. Subscribe to our channel for more love and relationship advice. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Like and share this video to spread the love.